In a desolate dump, a neglected dog named Sophie sat alone, abandoned like a discarded toy. Rain or shine, she remained steadfast, waiting for an owner who never returned. Witnessing her deteriorating condition, after 3 days, we realized the reason behind her abandonment. Rough, hairless skin, open wounds, and neglected health. Fortunately, a compassionate worker intervened, feeding her and seeking assistance. Swiftly, we took Sophie to the vet. The doctor was astounded by her severe state, nearly blind, suffering from a middle ear infection, swollen body, inflamed genital area, and scabies covered skin. Starved and desperate, she devoured food as if uncertain of her next meal. The doctor revealed the shocking truth. Sophie recently gave birth. Her puppies were separated for profit. Tears filled the room as we heard her tragic tale. Sophie underwent surgeries, skin treatments, and eye care. Miraculously, she responded positively. Scabies faded, swelling reduced, and her vision improved. Fear of blindness subsided, replaced by hope. With her remarkable recovery, Sophie found a loving family through the SOS for Patas Institute. Two compassionate women, aware of her story, adopted her, granting her a beautiful new life. Renamed Sophie, she formed a close bond with her adoptive family. The story emphasizes the unconditional love dogs offer. Despite Sophie's past, she embraced her new life, her new family, becoming inseparable from her boyfriend and finding joy in every moment. Sophie's journey is a testament to the transformative power of love and care. Share this heartwarming story to inspire others to make a difference in the lives of abandoned animals. Remember, dogs bring magic into our lives, the miracle called love.